yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka. In today's video we are going to create this gorgeous effortless makeup look. इसमें हमने कोई फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाया है. We just have concealer. We have very natural looking, my skin but better looking makeup products जो बहुत ही आपको पसंद आने वाले हैं. So ज़्यादा ब्लैबर नहीं करेंगे, हम फटाफट से ये ट्यूटोरियल स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. Today I'm going to use all the products from Daughter Earth and I'm impressed. I have some bomb recommendations for you. So do watch the video till the end. अगर आपको चाहिए ऐसा मेकअप जो बिल्कुल हैवी ना हो, फाउंडेशन की जरूरत ना हो, क्योंकि गर्मियों में we all avoid foundation. Keep on watching the video till the end and I'm sure that you will love this video. आगे बढ़ने से पहले if you like this video and the tutorial, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon right next to it and join our little PG fam. I would love to have you over here and चलो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं.
So I received this gorgeous box from Daughter Earth. इसमें उनके सारे products है. The first thing I'm going to use is the moisturizer, because before doing any makeup, moisturization is really important so that your makeup looks good and it sets well in your skin. So please एक moisturizer ज़रूर लगाए before applying makeup. Next up, I'm taking the Daughter Earth concealer. This is a full coverage creamy concealer. The shade I'm applying is Latte. Now आप देख सकते हो कि मुझे कितने ज़्यादा intense dark circles है, but without any color correction or anything, पूरे तरीके से मेरे जो dark circles है वो cover हो गए और बिल्कुल even out हो गया मेरा पूरा eye के around जो area है. So I'm just going to blend it with fingers. It's very easy to blend this concealer with a finger. And then मैंने थोड़ा beauty blender से set किया है. But as per my opinion, it applies best with brush. So मैंने blend करके थोड़ा सा जहाँ पे भी मेरे face पे marks है, because we are doing a no foundation makeup look, मैं इसको अपने face पे हर जगह apply कर रही हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है marks है. And बहुत ही ज़्यादा full coverage concealer है. A little goes a long way. It's creamy but it does not crease. It's a beautiful concealer, guys. I'm just in love with this concealer. To set this up, I'm using a powder. You can use any face powder or any powder that you like, and इसको आप set कर सकते हो. Always set up concealer with the powder because then creasing बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगी. Then we're using the Daughter Earth eyeshadow. This is available in 2 shades. I have whatever the shade I'm applying is mentioned on the screen. All the shade names will be mentioned on the screen. And this is a beautiful eyeshadow. मैंने अपने finger से लगाने के बाद इसको blend किया है with a brush. It's a beautiful shade. Really liked it. It's a foiled eyeshadow kind of a thing. And मैंने इसे अपने eyebrow के अंदर भी highlight किया है. Now we have the Daughter Earth lip and cheek tint. You can also use it on your eye as an eyeshadow. And the shades are mentioned as I've applied. So मैं जो original pink color है इसको अपने cheeks पे लगा रही हूँ. You can see how creamy it is. It blends in like magic, but it sets on your skin beautifully and does not move whatsoever. It's a very long lasting cheek tint. And यहाँ पे मैंने इसको और भी ज़्यादा intensify किया. Then I'm applying the Glow Goddess Illuminator from Daughter Earth. The shade name is mentioned on the screen and it's a very beautiful, very natural, yet it gives that glow goddess look. I'm blending the highlighter on my high points of my cheek. I like to apply it on the bridge of my nose, and it's a beautiful highlighter, blends in like magic. So guys, we have this Daughter Earth's Phyto Nutrient Lipstick in the shade Gypsy Rose. It's a cream to matte finish lipstick, one of the best bullet lipstick formula that I've tried. It's a very long lasting lipstick, beautifully sits on your lips, and the pigmentation is to die for. Now we have the vitamin E enriched matte lipstick, liquid matte lipstick. And this formula is so good. Generally in liquid matte lipsticks, it's very drying, but this formula is so comfortable on your lips. It would not dry out your lips and it will beautifully set onto your lips, making it super comfortable to wear this for longer duration of time. And the color is so gorgeous. It instantly sets into a matte lipstick. Now I'm trying the bullet lipstick. It's a cream to matte finish lipstick. Loved it.
So guys, that was my look that I created with all the Daughter Earth products. It's a very neutral, summer friendly, no foundation makeup look. The concealer has excellent coverage and बहुत ही beautifully मेरी skin में concealer लग रहा है, and all the products look gorgeous, exclusive. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे I've not, it's just like a my skin but better kind of a makeup look, and I really love this look. The best part about Daughter Earth is that they are very safe for all the lactating moms, pregnant moms, or if you are a breastfeeding mom, it is safe for you. You can wear these makeup products without worrying about कि क्या ये makeup product मैं लगाऊंगी तो मेरे breastfeed से मेरे baby को कोई harm होगा. No, these products are absolutely safe for all the mothers out there. The lipstick and the concealer has bakuchiol, which is a very good alternative to retinol. It's a plant alternative to retinol, and I think that's an excellent thing because you know the concealer will not just do the makeup, आपको वो skin care benefits भी दे रहा है, which is amazing. The products are very nice, safe and good, but if you're pregnant, if you want, you can speak to your gynac before using the products. And yeah, you can get a flat 15% off अगर आप मेरा कोड यूज करते हो Priyanka15 on Daughter Earth's website. आपको extra 15% off मिल जाएगा उनकी वेबसाइट पे, which is an amazing deal. सारे प्रोडक्ट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. I absolutely loved creating this look and how effortless it is. Yes, that is all about today's video. Let me know in the comment section below what do you feel about the makeup products. How does my makeup look? Does it look natural? Will you like to recreate it? And yeah, comment में मुझे जरूर बताना कि आपको इस makeup tutorial में कौन सा product सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. I love you all so much, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.